Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up revoke.cash for Polygon approvals safely. Quick tutorial step by step. To set up revoke.cash for Polygon approvals safely, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the revoke.cash website. Once on the home page, connect your crypto wallet. Choose the appropriate wallet from the list provided. Authorize the connection by confirming any prompts in your wallet. Select the Polygon network from the available options. Your wallet's token approvals will be displayed on the screen. Review the list of token approvals carefully. Identify any approvals you wish to revoke. To revoke an approval, click the corresponding revoke button next to it. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once confirmed, your approval will be successfully revoked. You can repeat this process for any additional approvals you wish to manage. Always double-check which tokens you are revoking to avoid errors. For added safety, consider disconnecting your wallet after finishing. This completes the setup of revoke.cash for managing Polygon approvals safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.